Jimo wa ọmọ mi Jimo Ọlọ́run jẹ́ mi lógún
àmín
Ọlọ́run jẹ́ mi lógún
àmín
àti ọlá yóò sì máa lọ síwájú
àmín
Ọlọ́run ní dá padà
àmín
gbogbo àwọn tí ń ṣe nǹkan fún pátápátá Ọlọ́run san lẹ́san rẹ̀
àmín àmín
Ọlọ́run jẹ́ mi lógún Ọlọ́run sì náà fún nǹkan kan ò ní ṣe.
This is the Gigantic Stadium.
Wow, man. Rauf Badamosi Stadium.
Watch it.
Hey,
more than 3,000 capacity stadium. You can see it.
This is timber shade. Bo nwanne anyị nwoke bụ JRB. Bụ onye rụrụ ya bụ timber shade. Ihe anyị ji wee mara ya bụ anyị bụ Kuzel. Ihe nwoke a na-eme n'Ibagwa ọ karịrị akarị. Ọ bụrụ dị sọsọ n'Ibagwa. Ihe ọ na-eme karịrị akarị asị ka agụba ihe ọ na-eme. Anya mma nata ebe a today maka na ihe ọ na-arụ karịrị.
Like this hospital you see here now. The man behind it, which is Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi, made it possible that any mother that's expecting mother that gives birth in this hospital, provided they are indigenous of Ibagwa Aka in Igbo Eze South local government area, Enugu State, Nigeria, that he makes sure that he gives you 1 whooping million naira to take care of yourself and the child.
Hello guys, this is Creative Law TV. We're live at direct in Ibagwa Aka in Igbo Eze South local government of Enugu State, Nsukka. So then, we're here to tell the story of our great philanthropist, Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi, the Kuzel, the CEO JRB Solar Energy Nigeria Limited. He is one of the great philanthropists we have in this Enugu State. And Creative Law TV is here in Ibagwa Aka to show you the great thing this man is doing to his people. In short, you will be wowed because this man is too much. It's extraordinary. And I'm not going to tell you only by hearsay, but we all will be touring every part of Igbo Eze South because this man is from Ibagwa Aka and he practically developing every part of the whole local government. In short, he even exceeds his own local government. It's too much, and his story cannot swept under the carpet. So we are here to tell his story. Follow me. So this is his place. Then this is his private residence in Ibagwa Aka, Nsukka. Like all bata of the American. So man, Konya. Iga kweta na ife na eme maka mmadụ ka ibia onye abụ nnukwu mmadụ ọ gara onye obi edocha oju ụlọ eme ọgọ oju scholarship eme ọgọ oju ụzọ eme ọgọ onye na ụzọ na-eje ọ nakọta na-asị kedu ife na-ewe iwe. But from today, from this video, you will find out who this man is and why he's so important to us to tell the story.
I love what you people are doing and I'm very happy about it. It's only God that will bless you people in Jesus' name.
Oh man, MC, can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
All right, my real name is Mazi John Chigozie Inyari, popularly known as MC Inyari, aka Igachirirochi.
Okay, you must laugh.
Yes, you must laugh. And if you don't laugh, that means the problem you're having is more than MC on. And we're going to pray for you and you're going to laugh. Thank you very much.
Okay then.
So today, we are here to give the profile and some of the philanthropic exhibition being done by one of our best, our indigenous son of the soil, by the name Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi, the CEO of JRB Solar Limited. Is a man of peace, a man of honor, and a man who has the promises in his heart. Thank you very much.
So we have been going around, telling the story of great people of our time, Anambra, Imo, Abia, even outside the country. So, but we come from this time, and the people will say, hey, go to Enugu, go this. But this man, anytime we visit home, we'll be seeing new projects. And I'll be saying that when the Enugu State government begin to even do rural works, going every corner of every community. Yeah. So then one of my brothers said, no, this is not Enugu State government. That the name is Kuzel. Because even as you are saying, you mentioned Kuzel, or is it different from Kuzel?
It's the same thing. Because I don't tell you his real name. But I'm coming to that. Because when he answered that Kozel, yes, this is a philanthropic work. You can video there. That's the philanthropic work he's doing. This is sharing this rice for the that's the fasting of the Salah. So all these people he's sharing this rice is for the fasting of the Salah.
And if I need to make a onya, and you only made Bagoduraya because only if you go maintain them.
Every time. Oh, Mama, December, Easter, Masala, big or small, everybody. You know, all the hair been money, Hobby. You know, make where I am, oh, show Jacka, if they will me. Make where I need share, but Chineke make all not at 500 years. Every year, Chineke are 1 year, can what a cram or horror. Makata president, and waking me honey. Man, one on the lemma than Yanuki. Moke the oil and wine, the oil. In an Igbo, the oil, a Christian, the oil, a Muslim, one get the fresh, as in have a Muslim. Easter, Christmas, routine or trailer, one at a time. Hey, carrying this, carrying the Christian kitchen. Oksala na nwa abon high. Men now na nchori bido fasting echi. Mo nwa nechi. Men ka ewu origo dinri. Mo oge ruo mgbe sala ọ na anyị ganje gi hofe. Na ego anu ma na anyị mo na anyị rice ọzọ. Mi bịakwute no na atụgụ n'ọnụ no na bịa hem ogwu ogbenye fe magbeni. Nwa am kọ n'azụ na amụrụ m ya tụrụ operation ma anyị meka n'ụlọ ọgwụ UNH.
So nyawa bi fe nyere aka we kwụgwọ
everything. Muman mwamu kufte nwa zọrọ mutene UNH anyị jere ma enwa bụ ọzọrọ anyị zọchara anyị ma ọ bụ sọsọ m na mo ndị ọzụrụ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ bụ accountable ma ko na-eme n'Igbo abịa ko na-eme n'ovo ko ya ko na-eme na Ligara ya ko na-eme everywhere but ekpere anyị na-elishi ebu Chineke nna ji ka aha ogologo ndụ even the kidnapper people tende abịa na ekpe ọma na-ekpe n'ekpere ọjọọ so na o nwego onye na-eche maka ihe ọjọọ na mgbe ọ nọ so na ekpere anyị bụ Chineke nna aha ogologo ndụ no eriri shinkariche shinka here anyị kichere anyị ma Chineke na bụ alaeze bo yeji akwa ụgwọ maka na anyị nwe ihe anyị nwere ike iwe akwa ụgwọ ya bịa ansị ka anyị gwa m evidence so that's the chọrọ ibido must everybody be volunteer sala just a tips in an bag be how ekpere anyị na mbe ọ nọ bụ ihe ọjọọ kwuru n'ihu ọkụ n'azụ ihe ọjọọ kwuru n'azụ na ọkụ n'ihu ma Chineke na ndị mozi agba ogirigiri wa ya nọ n'etiti ta bụrụ mụ na nwa na-eme metụkọ ihe ọ na-eme ma nwa na-eme metụkọ ihe ọ na-eme so ma Chineke na nye ogologo ndụ nyekwa ye more imag amam teke more money ogologo ndụ money ga dị already no bụ ndụ ka anyị na-arịọ lekpere anyị na-ebu Chukwu ozimo ọnwụ na-eshi ya bịa anyị na-arịọ Chukwu
ekelekwe m n'ọzọ so if ị na-anya funo nda they were just going on their own
need anyị ma mbombo kuzele need anyị ma mbombo onye chi mereze na mada pụghị na ya mbombo onye chi mereze na mada pụghị na ya oyoyo
okay then
thank you very much. As you can see the people who just benefited from the Kozel philanthropic way of life. That's what I told you people now. Mburu Nabia, that is a philanthropist, is a man who has people's heart in mind, is a man of the poor and man of the rich. And as they said, that he doesn't know you are a Christian, he doesn't know you are a Muslim, he doesn't know you are a traditionalist. All he knows that as far as if you are a human being, you comes to him, he will give a help where he can help you. As they just said, this is just a tip of iceberg that go and start the fasting. And exactly what he does during the Christmas. And as he did this one now, during Easter celebration, who is coming up very soon, he is going to send a trailer of rice with the food, that's the ingredients that you use to cook your rice. And he will also give you a stipend, that's the money that you use to buy other things that you use to cook that food. That's Kozel JRB Odogu.
Okay, then, before we go so deep, because we are talking about his philanthropist life. So now, MC, can you just tell us what you know about him, how he started? You cannot just start giving money to people. You must start somewhere. So how do you know Kozel?
Kozel we are talking about is from, his origin is from Yoruba land. But as God may have it, his third to fourth generation migrated to Ibagwa Aka.
Okay.
And they have been living peacefully with Ibagwa Aka indigenes. As God may have it, they continue flourishing and being successful in what they are doing in Ibagwa Aka.
Okay.
And that brings how the generation continues growing.
Yeah.
And that's how God made it that Alhaji Jimo Rauf, badamosi, Kuzel, Omenora, Ojege Mogo, Ojuze Mogo, Ojitimbe Mogo, Oji Stadium Mogo, Ojirie Mogo. No matter what that can help humanity, Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi does it.
Okay.
Came to be in Ibagwa Aka. And today is born and brought up and is son and soil of Ibagwa Aka indigenous in Igbo Eze local government.
So he's like if you trust him, like he come from Yoruba
land.
Okay, but he's Igbo by birth because he was born in
Igbo by birth.
Yes.
And for me, I call him Alhaji Jimo Rauf Okechukwu badamosi. Makana Okechineke nyela anyị n'Ibagwa Aka. He's Okechineke nyela anyị n'Ibagwa Aka. And we are very proud of him. And one secret thing I want to tell you about Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi is that if you dare touches him, maybe you go where peer group are gathering and they say, Kuzel Ghana. Ichokoko in a chozoku. No man got taggy go ebe ahụ.
Okay, and what about side?
What I don't get enemy, that is Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi, whom we are talking about today.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So, and then, I want to ask you a important question. As in, we're talking about his philanthropist life. So, is his father wealthy man? How did he, do you know how he grew up and make money, Yeah, to be doing what he's doing, you might come from maybe a wealthy family or something.
Thank you very much for this question. Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi, Kuzel Odogu once said with somebody, because you are born with a golden spoon, doesn't mean that I, born with silver spoon, will not have that golden spoon. That means Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi was not born in a wealthy family. But God have already projected it that Alhaji Jimo will be a rich man and his riches will touch many lives in the society. And that's exactly what he's doing. Understand me? So I really thank God for bringing Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi, Kuzel Odogu, to this our community, Ibagwa Aka, in Igbo Eze South local government area, Enugu State of Nigeria. He's really a big philanthropist in our town. Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi. No, somebody have like 80 years or 70 years. He's just my age mate.
Serious?
He was born in 1979. As I'm telling you.
In Kenya?
Yes, in Kenya. Kuzel. No, that's heart of giving. He has a lion heart. That's what he has of giving. And he's a complete dedicated Muslim.
Yes, I was.
And he doesn't play with his religion.
Okay.
But one thing about him that he doesn't know who is Muslim, doesn't know who is Christian, he doesn't know who is traditionalist.
Yes.
All he knows that all of us are one. Yeah. Like now, he single-handedly built a Catholic church in Ibagwa Aka in Igbo Eze South here, which is called St. Teresa's Catholic Church in Njoke Autonomous Community.
Wow.
And as I said, in Christmas period, he will send a trailer of rice, maybe 2 trailers for the Christian community to celebrate their Christmas. During Salah, he sends. That shows you that Kuzel is a core Muslim, but everybody is his own, because he's a son of the soil of Ibagwa Aka people. Okay. And again, coming to the philanthropic life he lives and ways he helps the masses, Kuzel single-handedly gifted exotic cars to the indigenous of Ibagwa Aka, ranging from Toyota Mozu, Toyota Corolla, many flashy cars He single-handedly gifted motorcycles numbering more than 1,000 pieces
to the youth,
to the indigenes of Ibagwa Aka people, to empower them. Those that can do Okada can use it and do Okada, to make sure that there's no unemployment in Ibagwa Aka. He have done that machine sharing twice, thrice. Now it's 3 times. He shared ladies' machine, he shared kata, he shared another kata. Motorcycles to the people.
Batch by batch.
And he also shared the keke napep to some people. That shows you the philanthropic life of Alhaji Kuzel. Coming to the infrastructural development, you can see the road we passed to come to the house. He single-handedly built it. This one that passed here, he single-handedly built it. Now, mainly all the street linked road to this federal road, MCC road, that started from Nsukka, Ibagwa Aka, Ihakpoka, Enugu Eze, going to Kogi State.
Yeah.
He linked every street road to this federal road. We have the one Sama Polo Street, we have Umosai Street, we have Umela Street.
So he tied roads.
Many roads, he tied it.
Okay.
And the gigantic work we are talking about,
yes,
the Rauf Badamasi Township Stadium, one of the best stadiums in Enugu State.
In this community,
Ibagwa Aka, in Igbo Eze local government area. Okay. Gigantic stadium. One of the best, which we opened it during Christmas football competition.
Just like a few months ago.
Yeah, a few months ago, he was live there to commission the stadium, which let me say in a week or 2 weeks time, we'll start Alhaji Jimo Rauf competition, which will comprise almost the 17 local governments in Enugu State. And he was the one who sponsored Enugu State.
The whole Enugu State.
Yes. And he will be the one to sponsor that competition in that gigantic stadium he built for us.
Okay.
Then, you know, I told you that Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi was not born with a golden spoon.
Yeah.
That's why his simplicity is second to none.
Yeah.
He was one time a timberman. He says on a low sea then. Yeah. So because of the because of the heart he now deemed it fit that even the timber is not fitable for them. Which is a ultra-modern timber sheet in Ibagwa Aka in Igbo Eze local government area. Ultra-modern one. That's what I'm telling you. Very beautiful one. With many social amenities. You go there, you see there's a solar, there's a pipe borehole, water. There's a recreation area, which he built again in the same area. That's where you can go and learn your handwork, maybe sewing, tailoring, no matter whatever you want to learn. He's well equipped. And he was the one who single-handedly built it. Okay, so you mean that because of he was once he traded that place and he now remembered home, like where he started. Yes, and they have to make it to be a modern one. Wow. And that's why he built it for them. We have to touch those places. Odogun, I will show you all everything. Okay. And as he's doing it, he's not doing it and seeking help from anybody. He does it with his hard-earned money to make sure that his people, who is Ibagwa Aka people, indigenes, enjoy from his own hard-earned money. Wow. And again, there's one road, which that's where I call him Ojuze Mogo. Okay. That road had been lingering for years. Okay. And every rainy season, 2 or 3 people must buy from that road. Because of the erosion. Yeah. Even the state government have come and surveyed that road and they can't do it. Yes. The local government came and surveyed, they can't do it. But Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi, Ojuze Mogo came and the road was through. Where is the road? From local government headquarters in Ibagwa Aka, down to Zego, to Uburu, to Ishegi Ibagwa Aka in Igbo Eze local government area, which will also show you that road.
Only one man.
Only one man.
So if I have one man,
he's a bulldozer, not one man. He's a bulldozer.
How do you call about Bato Biumo?
Oh, Bato Biumo. Easy. So the simplicity of Alhaji Kuze is second to none, as I said. Now, if you go to the villages surrounding, that's the villages surrounding Ibagwa Aka in Igbo Eze local government, you have touched many lives there. One, almost every villages surrounding Ibagwa Aka in Igbo Eze local government, he have gone there and make sure that they have pipe borehole water. Solid one. There's nothing like tomorrow, there's no fuel.
Yes.
Kaja bata fuel before Monday couldn't solar is always there on 24 hours. You get your water and you drink better water that will give your health a healthy life. Then Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi is somebody that doesn't know boundary.
Okay.
It's not only in Ibagwa Aka that he's doing his philanthropic work.
Okay.
If you go to Ihapu,
okay,
to Ihunowere,
okay,
is there constructed the road. The road has gone to Ihunowere, okay, which I know very soon it will pass Ihunowere, going to Ihaka. Okay. And immediately he's doing that road, he will support it with solar lights.
Street lights.
Street lights.
Yes.
Solar one, not engine one. That's why I always emphasize on solar. Solar one. Which there's nothing like today. There's no gas, light will not be there. Tomorrow there's no gas, light will be 24 hours light. That's what he does. From Ugwa Warawa in the Nsukka local government area, he single-handedly constructed that road from Ugwa Warawa down to Onuyi, from Onuyi to Umanu Junction, from Umanu Junction to Elego Obupa, from Elego Obupa down to Ibagwa Aka. So
what is making him angry? It's like he don't want to see any bad road around Nsukka Central Zone. It's not even Ibagwa alone.
That's what he promised. That he wants to make his area London of Nigeria. And that's exactly what he's doing. Like in the night, you will see how Ibagwa Aka looks like.
Beautiful, I swear.
Beautiful.
More than beautiful.
Solid light. Every street you pass, you will see it. There was a time one of my friends came to visit me. He visited me in 2013.
Yeah.
When I was in Kano, we came back here for a wedding.
Yes.
Then he came visiting 2 months ago. He came in the night. When he reached, I went there to the bus stop to pick him up. He said, am I sure that is Ibagwa I see? Because of what Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi is doing for us.
It's too much.
Okay. Now, let's come to how he helps the poor. Okay. Kuzel is somebody that will come up and pick like 20 people in number and give them money to start their life. I will not call names of money, but he will give you a huge amount that will go and start up your life. And when he gives you the money, he will be monitoring you. Are you making progress or not? If you are not making progress, he will not ask you, what is the problem? And it maybe it's because the capital he gives is not up to the business you are doing. He will give you more to invest that in that business. He will
make sure you succeed.
He makes sure you succeed. That's Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi for you.
Okay.
Asina Ekuboku Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi. Chigeji Chigabo. But we will continue saying the ones we are saying. And unseen ones are coming. And another simplicity of Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi. If he comes back now, although today, we are doing this video, he's not around, he's at his base in Abuja. Okay. But you can see how people are going in
coming
to collect their own palliatives. While the Odogu is not around, but people are going in to collect palliatives.
So on them or not,
if they may steady. And again, Onata, this gate will be open for everybody. If you come in, he will welcome you. Oh, my brother. How are you? Fine. You greet you well. What is the problem? If you tell him the problem, if it's the one he will solve it instantly, he will solve it for you. If don't, we tell you, go tomorrow. You will come back for the settlement of your problem, he'll be there to settle it for you. Only the bouncers and the security will not allow you to see him. That's not Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi for you. We give God the glory for the life and for the gift of Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi, the CEO of JRB Solar Energy Limited in Ibagwa Aka.
So, what inspires me is that the last time we visited one Reverend Father, his name is Fadobe. He's in the So there was a very good big house. He still had built it. The man is worth 20 million naira. The man said it. The Reverend Father told us. And he was never a day called Rauf, Alhaji, come, please, I have this issue. He just came visiting and said, oh, what can I do for you?
Thank you. This thing you said now reminds me. Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi is a person that would never like you to come and say, please come and do this for me. But just wait for him and pray. Maybe he may be passing through this road and sees the dilapidated situation of the road. Before you know it, that road will be awarded and he will beat it for you. But if you are coming to tell him, Alhaji Biko, I'm telling you, you are disturbing him. Yeah. He goes as his spirit leads him. Yes. If he directs him to come and do it, presently now, he's constructing the road from Nkale down to Ebrumini, from Ebrumini to Onyoja, from Onyoja to Ngwo Adade Bagwaka, and that Ngwo Adade Bagwaka is building a bridge there to make sure that the river, if that Adada river comes to that place, it will not affect the road.
Serious.
What the government fails to do. But Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi, you are doing it. Odogu came. The sky is not its limit, but your starting point. Odogu. All right, you watch and I knows now that Rauf Badamasi Township Stadium. That's the Ganjati Stadium, the one of the best in Enugu State.
Yeah.
So, and that is what we are about to show you. Let's just go in and tour the Ganjati Stadium we are talking about.
And wait, the link road also.
Yes, it was single-handedly built by him. As you can see, road. And it goes round. This is your entrance, and the other way is your out.
Okay, you follow this way and link to the
main
road.
So we don't need anything like. Let me say you park, I park, and I cannot go away. So that's why I did it like that. You come in like this. After watching football, you follow this way and go out. Coming in and going out. So that's how we did it.
So guys, this is Nsukka, Ibagwa Aka, and this is Nsukka. This is not Imo State.
Odogu carry Odogu.
So kill chegina idea. Makana ana gwa ni Igbo ni obo ofebe ka na eme. If onye na-ekwu ebe oga no die docha. Ofonye bo on eme ife adiko government. Ka na eje because if kai bagodi.
This is what you go ba Miria free of charge kana agba by Alhaji Jimo Rauf Badamasi.
Stadium,
yes, free of charge come as an abadi mmiri.
You know,
for you. Now you can see everywhere marbles.
Jesus Christ, this is massive.
Come in and see.
This is massive, man.
And one thing about this stadium is that it's not only football that is played here. There's basketball court, there's lawn tennis court, and there are places you can wearing Kobe. All this place that would be the recreation center. Wait for like let's go. And this place is a favor. So it will stores. JC.
Okay, it's like a mini supermarket. Yeah.
It is only about football and sports wares.
Okay. Yeah.
Odogu.
Oh wow, this is massive.
Hey, I'm doing sports, so you can't do sports. Now, hey,
I thought it's just another.
This is the Ganjati Stadium.
Wow, man. Rauf Badamosi Stadium.
Watch it.
Hey,
more than 3,000 capacity stadium. You can see it.
Jesus Christ.
Told you.
So can see. It's like this man is a talent hunt. It's like he developing skills and talents.
He needs people to be developed, uplift them. That's what they're doing. Like this thing, this stadium he built, I know vividly that his aim is to make sure that talents are discovered here.
Hey.
And about this competition that's going to go on, you know, there are many talents will be discovered.
Yes.
As you can see.
So if you are a footballer and you think you can contest in Europe, so prepare yourself.
And come and play this competition.
Luckily, you can be picked.
Yes, because scouts will come here to scout players.
Hey.
As you can see. And the beautiful thing about this Etashim Stadium is that immediately, if you are playing ball and it's 6:30 p.m., all these solar lights automatically flash here and it becomes like in the afternoon.
Yeah.
That's another beautiful
So which means in the night you can at any time you can
any time you can come here and play your ball.
Okay.
And as I told you people, there's a basketball court and there's also lawn tennis court. So it's not only football that is being played in this stadium. That's why I tell you, one of the best in Enugu State. Because if you go to Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium, they don't have basketball court there. No. They don't have lawn tennis court there. No. Even if you go to the Nsukka one that Buruburu built, there's no basketball there. There's no lawn tennis court there. And no place to chop on Kwabi there.
aha m bụ Chief Kevin Asogwa. Abụ m onye Ibagwa Aka. Ibagwa Aka dị na Igbo Eze South Local Government na Enugu State. Ebe mụnwa nọ kịta bụ na njikọ ọka Timber Shade Ibagwa Aka. Mụnwa bụ chairman of the Timber Shade na Ibagwa Aka ebe a. Ma this Timber Shade bụ nwanne anyị nwoke bụ JRB bụ onye rụrụ ya bụ Timber Shade. Ihe anyị ji wee mara ya bụ anyị bụ Kuzel. Ihe nwoke a na-eme na Ibagwa ọ karịrị akarị. Ọ bụrụ dị sọsọ na Ibagwa ihe ọ na-eme karịrị akarị. Asị ka agụba ihe ọ na-eme anya mma nata ebe a today maka na ihe ọ na-arụ karịrị. So ọ bụ eziokwu na ya bụ nwoke nwe mgbe ọ zụ ahịa timba obere before pụọ wee mesizie Chukwu wee gozie ya o wee chetakwa Ibagwa na-arụ ọrụ dị iche iche. Ebe anyị nọ kịta bụbu very very big bush, ọ bụ thick forest. Ebe a bụbu nnukwu bush. Mana ọ bịago mee ya enwe ebe a bịa ebe a na ọma amarị na nwere ihe dịka bush ebe a before. Wee dozisi ebe a na-arụ ọrụ dị iche iche. Ọ bụrụ sọsọ na ọ rụrụ Timber Shade anụnwa. Each time ọ na-ajụkwa anyị ka ebu problem anyị nwere na problem ọ na-abịa nyere anyị aka n'ụzọ dị iche iche n'ebe anụnwa. So ihe ya bụ nwoke na-eme na Ibagwa anụnwa ọ karịrị akarị. Mgbe na-asị biko nu onye ọbụla ebe onye a nọrọ ka na-ekpere ya bụ nwoke ekpere maka na ma nwatakịrị ma ọgaranya na Ibagwa anụnwa onye ọbụla na-ekpere ekpere maka onwere onye adị eketa oke n'ihe ọ na-arụ na Ibagwa anụnwa. So mana ekpere anyị n'isi ya bụ nwoke bụ Chukwu na-emeri ya ka ọ na-emekwara ya karịa ka o siri emeri ya maka ka ọ na-emeri ya bụ ka ọ na-emekwara ndị ọzọ. So anyị na-arịọ na Chineke ga na-edebie na-enyekwa ya ego ka ọ na-emekwa nyekwa ya obi nyekwa ya arụ isi ike ka o were emekwa ka ọ na-eme n'aha Jizọs Kraịst onye nwe anyị.
Amen. Onye na-agwa okwu onye na-afụ maka ahịa ọ na-afụghị ya na dịka nsi agwụ this is not Anambra, this is not Imo, but this is Igbo land in Enugu State. Ibagwa Aka Nsukka mago na ọbụla majere na Nsukka dị na Nsukka ebe Ibagwa Aka dị ma nka mana ọ na Nsukka ka ọrụ Ibagwa.
Eha mbụ Akim Ayinde badamosi mụ na-ekuzeshi pa m na-epa kuzeshi ofuna mekuzo ihe ọ na-arụ anyị n'obodo a the essence. In fact, the guy is a philanthropist. Nya guru anyị munya.
So miracle.
Ma arụ this power plants.
You know solar.
Solar nụrụ this community ọkụ. Umude Umosai. Ma ebe a nwụsụ ahụ particularly Yoruba quarters.
Okay, ebe a bụ Yoruba quarters.
But under amebo.
Okay.
Abaghị na ọgba na amụ Papa Kuzel.
Keba ka no mo Papa Kuzel. So Papa Kuzel n'obodo a ka mbara.
Ebe ba ka anọ amịa. Even my own dad nwe. My papa sọtara mmadụ ise sọtara Papa Kuzel. All of them they are late now. So you gonna arụ about it. This mostly na-ele na arịa. Nke ndị Hausa na wotere highest donation eji arịa. At least ego wotere eji arụ mosque ndị Hausa ndị ọzọ wotere 5 million. Ihe nya na wotere is more than 30 million. Eji arụ the mosque ndị Hausa.
So 90%
ya nwe. Me ishe ego no nwe owa an ho ko vike transformer 6.
Transformer 6
ebo ko ishe ego. Uzo no na akwucha na arụ n'ime community no ya na arụ ya. Libawa no. So nwoke na agba mbọ. Me chukwu so na azụ. Moto yi lewo moto overe nai.
Okay, moto ko bi.
Ai gemen na over my elder brother Mozu. View gama Mozu nya woziri nka woziri anọ n'ụlọ now. View nwana anyị na ana kisagewa over Mozu.
Hey,
view mufu no nwe. So moto kiri. At least Mozu kiri is kemla kwa nuko is more than 8. Nya view seriki. That's Mozu serika moto seriki na anya. Even seriki semere afa blonde na view nke. Shehu barrister na view da kororo anya.
So all those people don't need to
so ndo na ale ndo nenye e in fact ne ko nenye apeka ana ko le yari be o mo dano na aru no na se clean ha kabla asle na kabla asle no biara. So and this morning again maybe don't make rice maka ndị ekechi onu.
Yes, buy no abia because we went to his house. So some people need book for rice before her going to give born no one be. So everybody was happy. That's Igbo ever. Bro a Yoruba. Bro a Muslim. So kedu ka isi where like a twin no, you don't feel like like community obodo no na how do you feel like in a feel na onwe fe di che na ebe na bro Igbo or bro Yoruba because some people are saying na onye na emefa boy Yoruba wa oji we na eme odefa kedu ye me na o jere na ala Yoruba mebia
nko na emetere ba anyị ka SS.
So it's all the make akọ na me na
nwo ne ma abego na me na ban me nwa akọ na me na mkpa me nwa akọ na me na oturukpo anya musira na ekule yari be so nwoke o jezuru mbọ ọnụ.
Yes. So then when first on najo unu ina ya ebe mana onye obula bidoro ebe a bidoro amara with a golden spoon as in one nwoke kedu ka is for onwe ife magasi o megasi before Chineke we gozie ya otakwara afọ
amụrụ ya with a golden spoon o tara ahụ no me chukwu so ya n'azụ.
Okay.
Ọ tara ahụ na chukwu so n'azụ ihe ile chukwu si ya abụ na ya abịa.
Yes.
Ọ bụrụ ahụ na ụtaga ahụ.
Okay.
O nwere a lot of people kpachakọ na sword akpọ ya na sword.
Mbona cho
Only kata nso dako. Nai. So mbona onye asọtara papa kuzel.
Onye asọtara papa kuzel.
Onye aboje men na now.
Wow, na ekele m gisa. Onye ji maka wee bịa bụ nwa gị nwoke. Kuzel.
From the day.
Ebe anyị si bụ from Lagos ka anyị ji wee bịa mee.
From Eko.
Eko kwa. So onye ji maka wee bịa bụ maka n'ife ọ na-eme n'ebe a erika.
So much. Nkpebe na anyị ekpere ka ndụ adị ogologo.
Amen.
Ogologo ndụ ka ọ nọsi ike. Ihe ọ na-eme anyị ebe a.
Ma nwa akọ na akwụrụ like last year no kwuru ụgwọ Mecca no matter the passport no problem ndo kwuru ụgwọ last year there are more than 20 people at least opekete 30.
So go azụ na ya ka ekpere ga-ekpere ya kịta ma ha dị nsọ ọrụ afọ ebe na-ekpere ya ekpere
ihe dị bụ na Jimo anyị na-anya ka m kwere n'ọnụ ya n'ọnụ Yoruba Jimo agba ọma me Jimo ọnụ ọjọọ mere ugwu
ami
Ọlọ́run jẹ́ mi lógún.
Àmín.
Àti ọlá yóò sì máa lọ síwájú.
Àmín àmín.
Ọlọ́run ní dá padà.
Àmín.
Gbogbo àwọn tí ń ṣe nǹkan fún pátápátá Ọlọ́run ó san lẹ́san rẹ̀.
Àmín àmín.
Ọlọ́run jẹ́ mi lógún. Ọlọ́run sì náà fún.
Àmín.
Nǹkan kan ò ní ṣe.
Àmín.
Kò ní jáàmù.
Àmín
Kò ní lẹ́gídẹ̀ǹtì. Ọba tí máa sọnù ọba tí máa yọ ọ̀nà Ọlọ́run bá yọ. Gbogbo wa náà pátá Ọlọ́run ya lọ́ba mójútó.
Àmín àmín.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين بسم الله لقد رسول من أنفسكم العزيز عليهم ما نتعرف عليكم بالمؤمنين رؤوف رحيم فإن تولوا فقل رسول الله لا إله إلا هو عليه توكلت وهو رب العالمين الحكيم لله في كرة الله في ذات التاج والسيف فليعبد رب هذا البيت الذي أتم من جوع ومن الأرض سبحان بك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله من العالمين صلوا على النبي
صلى الله عليه وسلم.
So I'm a Muslim. ndị na-anụ mana ezigbo ekpere ọ bụ na ọrụ kasị
na chukwu nye ogologo ndụ
o speak your tongue
chukwu nye ogologo ndụ na arụsiri ike igosoro am nara ngoro asụ na Yoruba na igosoro na Yoruba chukwu nye ogologo ndụ na arụsiri ike na ihe kpere anya na ekpere abịa ma ekpere ego na ogologo ndụ na arụsiri ike igo na-eme apeka.
Yes.
Just like what I said earlier, I call it Yarole. So tendo nazu tendo nazu na school. Mama parents mama should tendo.
Kedu ko locate in there?
O na darute gwa na he problem. They like na one pastor my God guy yazia.
Okay, o take
ize. Ma ndo na no bera. Like onwere onye iba onye ihe akpụbu na ọkpa on immigration.
So can I je
nwere onye onuru
so that the main power plant in Akara.
Okay.
So
let's go.
So it's not
this season.
Serious. So am I gonna single-handedly even to my own community? He touch it everywhere. Other what they are made for. Even a member up to hand, maybe. So then, about the job, about the main power plant, I did. Okay. So all of us want to do it well. Because I'm not gonna light off.
Bao, I know no bro even. Munyi na I need gun.
24/7. Jesus Christ.
So they are the power plants. Yeah.
So if I have the solar supply the same, the main solar supply the community. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Okay, if you watch now, we are the primary health care center.
Okay.
Which Alhaji that's Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi, the CEO of JRB Solar Energy Limited. That's it. And we can go in and you see the building. This is the primary health care, which he built to make sure that our people benefit from health care equipment, which we have been lacking for a long time.
Okay, because the immunization and all those primary...
Yes, even a minor surgeries, say malaria, appendix, hernia, they take care of it here. And basically, almost all the medicine they give here is free, because Alhaji Kuzel, that's Alhaji Jimo, single-handedly built it and equipped it with the medical equipment needed to take care of the masses who are in need of it. Like this hospital you see here now, the man behind it, which is Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi, made it possible that any mother that's expecting mother that gives birth in this hospital, provided they are indigenous of Ibagwa Aka in Igbo Eze South local government area, Enugu State, Nigeria, that he makes sure that he gives you 1 whooping million naira to take care of yourself and the child. That's the philanthropic life of Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi.
So if you give birth, you will have some money that's going to extent of 1 million.
Whooping 1 million
and,
naira.
He pays like
the hospital bills,
for some
the one that is not excess much, he pays it, and any treatment that is not much excess, you take it free, free medical care, and you can see the solar also be installed to make sure that there are steady lights in the primary health care center that he built.
No, this is too much, man.
I told you that Alhaji Jimo Rauf badamosi is a God sent. And he does it as God sent him to do in our community.
So you see, I'm just looking at you because many things. What I saw today is rare. Like you have gone many places, but this is actually massive, man.
Excess.
It's more than. In short, you can't even cover it.
That's what I'm saying. My prayer for Alhaji Jimo Rauf is that MC Igbo Eze ma ashwana zugbo ekelege kelatu kuroshimi ame pang manonwe. Alhaji Jimo gbogbo nwachukwu wetere na Ibagwa Aka asụm na ọya adịna go yi na eke ọya adịna go yi na orie ọya adịna go yi na ahọ ọya adịna go yi na nkwọ ọlala sado kwere na maka na echi je ka efulego me no bụ nyari gwe ma so na azụ gbogbo so gele ga na azụ gbogbo Obonye ko obonye nyese nizo ko go ni ya zoriri amo ya kitchen al go ekle mu go segre go. Thank you very much.